Hi everyone, welcome to the Java coding series from PrepLoop. In this playlist, we are going to focus completely on hands-on practice, solving real Java programs step by step, slowly and clearly. This series is a practice series to the Java concept series. I will add the playlist below in the description. If you haven't watched the concepts Java basics tutorials, you can refer that before jumping here for practice. So why coding is important? So learning Java theory is important, but real learning happens when we actually write code. So coding practice helps you build logical thinking and gain confidence, and it also helps you prepare for interview questions and understand the concept more deeply than just listening. Now what we will do, so in this series we will start with very simple programs like printing values, basic calculations and working with numbers, and then slowly we will move to loops, conditions, strings, arrays, and later slightly tricky problems. And we will always learn this step by step without jumping ahead, and I'll explain each and every logic clearly. This series is perfect if you are new to programming, you studied Java but didn't get enough practice, or if you are preparing for interviews and want clarity. Okay, and in the next video we will start with our first real program, very simple but important, and we will also solve it together step by step. Let's get started. For more such videos, do subscribe to PrepLoop. Thank you.